Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs. So we're currently working in the Sugar Cookie album that we are creating using the Basically Amazing foundations and the Basically Amazing Charming Decorative Edge. So foundation, decorative edge. These are printable templates. They're available in my Etsy shop. I have all that linked down below. And the paper collection, Sugar Cookie by Prima, and it is very close to last year's collection, the Santa Baby. It's got the same color tones and feels, so if you wanted to use that one instead or had leftovers from last year, feel free. Sorry, I was talking had my back turned to you. So in the very last video, there's also a playlist specifically for this album. I'll have it linked down below and up here in the cards, and be sure, remember there's a giveaway during this album, so be sure to leave a comment down below this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the videos. So I basically take you step by step on how to make this. So this is what we've got so far. We're working on 2 fins, and we've got the base pages kind of prepped and ready to go, and now we're starting to embellish and make inserts. So the last video, we did this on the last video. I will link it up here in the cards and down below, because I decided we're going to kind of mimic this on this set of page. This is the second fin. It's the same setup, but we're going to do this in pink, just like I had talked about. So I decided we were going to do that for this. So I've got everything already prepped. So if you want to see exactly what pages I used and all of that, I decided not to go through all that again because I just did it in this video. So super cute. So this is the flip down pocket, right? Flip down pocket. And I got this little 3x4 photo mat here with some cute little cut aparts. And we've got this 5x7 booklet. Right, super cute. And then this pretty paper here. You can put a photo there. There's magnets under there. I put the magnets in the exact same spots on this one. So there's a magnet. Whoop, there's a magnet right here on the back of this flip down. There's a magnet right here, and there's a magnet back here. Okay, so what I did was I picked another paper. I picked this one out of the paper collection, and again I made that same mistake. I cut it down to run it through my printer, and I was like, I just finished trimming it down and I knew right away. I was like, dang it. But anyway, so I ended up tracing, this is the mat for this page, so I traced that out onto that. So it's got the little houses and the little car. I don't know, I just thought it was super cute. So we are going to add this one here. So that's the mat for this page. And I am just going to use this adhesive because, again, we may have to move our magnets. I'm not 100% sure, but I decided to go ahead and kind of duplicate, but with different papers on the second fin. Same as the first. Isn't that like a rhyme or something? So like we did this one in the greens and stuff. So we're going to do this one in the pinks and stuff. So I'm going to mat this. I've inked everything up with the walnut stain distress oxide, just like before. And then back here we've got this. Is that all I needed? Printed this off in the letters just like we did on this one. There's the letters background. So I did the same thing, but before we attach this on here, I think I'm going to put the photo mat. So this is the 3x4 photo mat, and I stamped it. Oh, I think I am missing a couple pieces actually. Aha. These are all pieces from the embellishment packs. So there's little trees, and then there's 2 little houses, and I thought we could do some kind of like collage in the corner here. It's not quite the same as the other, but I think it'd be cute. It's kind of some sort of layered look down here. You know what I mean? Or maybe not use all the pieces. Let's see. Maybe I did something like that. That's kind of cute. So I did end up, oh, my candle just went out. I did end up, did I blow it out or did it go out? It went out. fussy cutting some of those edges off of these embellishments They're the ephemera, so they have like a bigger, wider edge around them. So I did cut them down just a little bit. So yeah, maybe we'll do it that way instead. But I kind of want the trees at the bottom, and maybe these on the side a little, maybe something like that. That'd be okay. All right, I'm gonna use liquid glue because I think I'm gonna tuck one of them trees underneath the photo mat. So this is fabric. I'm just gonna go around the edges. Whoops. Wow. This is, again, printed on, this is 28-pound paper. And of course, I've stamped it. Try to put that in the center. And then this is going to go at the bottom. Like this. Yep. And I think we're going to stick this under the photo mat. We'll see. I might have to change my mind. And this on top. There, I think that's cute. That'll work. That is cute. And we can still get up under there to put our photo. So, yeah. Yeah, I think that turned out super cute. Because I wanted to kind of mimic, you know, with the houses and the trees from this paper here. But again, I'm just going to use tape runner tape to attach it down just in case we have to move our magnets around. I don't want to have to do that, but I will if I have to. Wow. So we got that piece. That's so cute. I just love it. I know you can't see that well, but I just love it. I want to bring it up to you. Look it. That is so cute. All right, so then that goes like that. All right, so then I did the same thing. So this is the pink and white stripe from the mini album ornament. I'll have it linked down below, and I've inked everything up. I traced this one to go back here just like I did with the green and white stripe. And then this is the shades of color. This is number 11. I printed onto the parchment paper, and it's gonna go here. Okay, so I did fussy cut this out. Well, here we go. I fussy cut this one out. So the other page, this one was here. So this one that's gonna go here was over here. So I just fussy cut it out, and it says, "A sugar sweet Christmas with you." So I thought that was super cute. So we're gonna use that. So I'm gonna add this on here before we attach it down here. And I'm gonna have it hanging on just a little bit like the other one, and maybe make it to where I could tuck as well. Yeah, that's cute. And I'm going to cut that edge off. And pick it up. Yeah, that's just adorable. I just think that's adorable. All right, I'm going to add this to this page. I had accidentally printed double-sided. My printer was set up to, if I picked several different pages to print, and I wanted more than one of that page, so I said, let's say I picked 4 different things I wanted to print, and then I wanted 2 of each of those pages. Well, I told it to do that, but it printed it out and then sucked the paper back in, and I didn't tell it to do that. So I don't know what happened there. So, but I'm using it anyway. Don't want to be wasteful. Alright, so we got that down. I love that. And then they say it in crystal. We could use the green this time. I think I used the big one. So we'll use the big one on this one too. Wow. Oh, that's adorable. Alright. Oh, and we got one more thing to match really quick. Again, this is the same thing, double-sided. Didn't mean to. I'm not sure. I mean, I changed it already, but I'm not sure how it got that way or why it did that, because I've never double-sided printed, I don't think, on my inkjet. But I might have. Maybe somebody else did it. Other people are using my printer these days. Like my husband works from home sometimes and he uses my printer. I'm like, hey, you don't know what paper's in there. You gotta be careful. He probably thinks I'm crazy. Okay, so see, there's last videos and there's this videos. So similar, well, it's the same, just a different color scheme, right? And then last but not least, this is the 5x7. We made a little booklet, and it's the same the same paper. This is the one. This is the landscape version in the 8.5x11 of the scrap journal printable papers. It's got the pink and green. So I inked it up, and I cut a 2.5-inch circle out of the shades of color number 11, printed on parchment. And then these two pieces were in the embellishment pack. One of them is a, holly, and then it says joy and cheer on there. So I thought we could do something like this. Oh, that's so cute. And then put 2020 on here again. We could try. So I thought we could do that. So let's do that. Try to get it in the center, and if it's not, it's okay. And the little holly, or the holly berries. That is what that is, isn't it? And I decided not to cut this one apart because it's got the and, but it's got the foil, so I liked that. Alright, and then the 2020, where can we put the 2020 on this one? I guess we could put it, I don't know where do you want to put it. Well, let's just let it be wherever it needs to be. How about that? 20. I don't know, I think it's kind of cute, wonky like that. What do you guys think? I love that font so very much. That is super cute. Okay. All right, and then this will go right here. Yes. Okay, so we got this one from the last video, 2020 Merry Christmas, right? And then we got this one. So this is one fin, this is the other, and this one says Joy and Cheer 2020. Yeah, I like it. That was a good idea. And then these bottom pieces down here. It'd be cool if we put a little like something shimmery on top of those houses. I'll have to think about that. Yeah, so we basically did the same thing on the front of both of these fins, but it looks good. I mean, it's different. It looks different. You know what I mean? So that's all I have for you guys today. Unbelievable. I cannot believe that. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications so you get notified every time I upload a video. and I will see you guys next time. Bye.